Okay then guys, so today I thought I would drop a small video just going over this VanEck crypto and blockchain ETF, one that I actually have a part of in my portfolio, just a very small one because as you'll find out, this ETF has a beta of 3.24, which is insanely high. I'm just actually trying to find it here we are, 3.24, so that's 224% more volatile than the S&P 500 because that's what it's measured against. So yeah, if you are not comfortable with some volatility, well, not some, a lot of volatility, then this probably isn't for you, but it's just a little small portion of my portfolio that I have, so it's not really a big deal. So if we get into the literature of this, we'll find that this comprises of companies that generate at least 50% of its revenue from digital asset projects, or projects when developed that have the potential to generate at least 50% of their revenues from the digital assets industry, and or have at least 50% of its assets invested in digital assets, holdings or digital projects. So obviously if there's not enough companies that it can add into the ETF, it will slowly reduce that 50% amount to actually include other companies. They're capped at 8%, and then we have the rest there. But I thought that was just interesting, so you know that 50%, well, the majority of the companies in there have 50% or more of its revenues from digital assets. So if we look at the holdings, we'll know that if you've been into crypto for a little bit, you'll recognise these companies. So like VanEck, which is payments, MicroStrategy, which is just a proxy to Bitcoin because it owns that many Bitcoins that you can basically just buy Bitcoin through, like, you know, your Roth IRA, or because I'm from the UK, my stocks and shares also. You got Coinbase and a bunch of mining companies. So yeah, this is you can have this as part of your ISA as well, so you get the tax-free gains if you do manage to get some gains. So like this year it's 268% increase. Last year was down 85, so as you can see it is quite volatile. So it's up to you at the end of the day. If you bought at the start, then you'd still be well down, but that's just part of investing. But yeah, I just wanted to go over the fact that you can get some crypto exposure in your stocks and shares ISA, and this is one way of doing it. I mean, you could just go to the holdings and then just look at, research the companies you want. So like I own quite a bit of MicroStrategy, and then I own a little bit of this because I want some exposure to the mining companies as well. The expense ratio is 0.65, which when you consider the gains you could potentially get from this, it's nothing really. So that's just my personal opinion. If you've got a different one, then feel free to let me know. But yeah guys, if you like this video, drop a like, subscribe, and take care.